Get a feel for the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, premium sound system, satellite radio, bed liner. Feel prepared for the challenge in the Silverado 1500. Get behind the wheel for a test drive.